Afternoon, Pottinger's class.
Good afternoon.
Did we just finish volume?
Yes.
Can you find volume?
Yes.
Here we go. What is volume? Let's see here. Volume is the amount of space.
Inside a 3D shape.
It's got to be a 3D shape though, right?
Yes.
Okay. The label for volume is units cubed, or units to the power of 3, right?
Yes.
Is a unit cubed the same as units to the power of 3?
Yes.
Why is there a 3? How many dimensions do we use to find volume?
3.
Length, width, and height, right?
Yes.
So that tells us we're using 3 dimensions to find the volume, yes?
Yes.
Okay. And you guys know dimensions, yeah?
Yes.
Okay. Review word. Okay, real quick. Perimeter. How do we calculate or how do we find perimeter? Go.
Outside.
How do we find the area of a rectangle, a square, and a parallelogram?
Base times height.
How do we find the area of a triangle?
Base times height divided by 2.
And then volume has a couple of different ways to find, or a couple of different formulas. They mean the same thing, but they just have different words, right?
Yes.
Let's use this one. So we find volume by multiplying, go.
Length times width times height.
Boom. If this is the length and this is the width, and somebody looks at you and says, that's not the length and the width, they should be changed, does it really matter?
No.
No, because we're multiplying all of them together anyways, right? So it doesn't matter which is which. What's the base of this? How many blocks across is this?
3.
How wide is it?
2.
How tall is it?
2.
Would these be the dimensions that I would use to find the volume?
Yes.
So this is what I have plugged in, right?
Yes.
Could you also maybe even count the blocks?
Yes.
Is there some hidden blocks that we can't see though?
Yes.
So question, what do you think is more effective? Counting the blocks or using the formula?
Using the formula.
Yeah, I always worry we're going to miss a block. This one doesn't even have blocks, so we're just using base times width times height, right?
Yes.
This situation gave us the volume. So I said, hey, here's the volume. Here is the base. Here is the height. I don't know what that is. What strategy did we use to find it?
Guess and check.
Everybody understands guess and check?
Yes.
We good?